He landed a punch after the bell.
After the bell.
And he paid a heavy price for it.
And it looks bad. Baka itigil na to ng referee.
Meet Nadal Hussain. He was fast. He was incredibly powerful. He was Australia's golden boy. Many believed he was destined to become a future boxing superstar. 19 wins. 0 losses.
World Super Bantamweight Champion from the blue corner, Nadal Skinny Hussain.
Before facing Manny Pacquiao, no one had been able to solve the puzzle of Nadal Hussain. His aggressive style, heavy hands, and unwavering confidence overwhelmed one opponent after another. Heading into the fight, Hussain had no doubt he would become the new world champion. He repeatedly reminded everyone that Manny had been knocked out before and promised to do it again. He even claimed he would wipe the Filipino off the canvas. But there was one problem. Just 2 months earlier, Pacquiao had faced another undefeated monster, Sum Kon Che, who entered the fight with a perfect 23-0 record. Many believed the Korean would be the man to stop Manny. Instead, Pacquiao destroyed him in just 1 round.
I think Chai here is a very powerful puncher. Look at him coming in. Chai did not come to the Philippines to lose this fight.
Man is going to the body to slow down this top hombre.
So is Sum Kon Chai. Pupunta na sa katawan and uppercut yung umabot. Yes, kaliwa. It was a left uppercut that hit Sum Kon Chai and it's all over.
But Hussain wasn't intimidated in the slightest. On October 14th, 2000, Manny was making the 3rd defense of his world title. That night, one of the fiercest battles of his early career began. Right from the opening round, Hussain showed he was willing to do anything to win.
Pacquiao now trying to move inside.
Sa katawan, umaatake ito si Manny Pacquiao. Hindi pa gumaganto ito si Nadal Hussain. And the crowd is in an uproar. Hussain.
Nabubukas naman ang depensa ni Manny.
He threw a punch after the bell, blatantly breaking the rules. But all he did was make Pacquiao angry. Then something happened that almost nobody expected. The Australian knocked Manny down. For a few seconds, it looked as though Hussain's bold predictions might actually come true. But that was the biggest mistake he could have made. He woke up the real Manny Pacquiao. From that moment on, his punishment was only a matter of time.
Hussain is coming in for the kill. Delikado si Manny, mga kaibigan.
Good right by Hussain. Hilo pa rin si Manny Pacquiao.
Dapat tumawak muna si Manny.
Ayan, lumayakap si Manny Pacquiao.
Deduction of speed slap by Padilla. At ito na.
Ayan.
Will there be time for Manny Pacquiao to recover?
Oh, good right by Nadal Hussain. Manny Pacquiao backing up.
Sabi nga natin, partner, mabigat sumuntok ito si Nadal Hussain.
Ito si Nadal Hussain. Kaya nakapagpahinga si Manny Pacquiao eh. Yung wina-warning nga siya, tinanggal siya ng 1 point. Kita natin talaga, lumusot. Ayun, lumusot yun. Right and left. And again, the champion, Nadal Hussain of Australia, the challenger.
Ang gambit nitong Nadal Hussain, partner, patagalin itong laban na ito. Alam niya si Manny Pacquiao in his last 3 fights, nagka-average lang siya about 2.5 rounds each.
Oo. Eh, wait, tinatapos.
Yan ang favorite tactic ni Hussain, partner. Depensa ni Manny Pacquiao. Tinitira niya sa tagiliran. Ito naman si Hussain. Uppercut. He likes to lead off with a uppercut followed by a dizzying left straight. Sunod-sunod.
Sunod by Manny Pacquiao. Another left in the face by Manny Pacquiao. A right by Pacquiao. And a left. Manny Pacquiao going all out here in round number 1.
Pero partner, ang sa power,
Ooh, talk about power. Yes, Manny Pacquiao. Going to the face of Nadal Jose, right to the body. Kabit-kabit ang suntok ni Manny Pacquiao, mga kaibigan. At minsan napapatigil ito si Nadal Jose pagka nag-uumpisa na si Manny Pacquiao. Ayan. It's a good leg. Medyo mababa.
and you notice he always likes to put combinations together. Ito si Manny Pacquiao, looking upstairs, looking downstairs.
Lumulusot yung mga suntok na yan ni Manny Pacquiao. Bagamat nakakubli itong si Hussein. Ayan, pinipapag po ni Manny Pacquiao ang mukha nitong si Nadal Hussein. Dito pa lang sa round number 1. Manny Pacquiao, pinipapag po itong si Nadal Hussein.
Alam mo, partner, na-feeling ko dito, parang niro-rope ni Hussein ito si Manny Pacquiao. Baka pinapagod lang niya. At
Ay, din.
alam naman natin ang strategy ni Hussein. Sabi nga niya sa dyaryo at sinabi din sa atin ni Jeff Fennick na
Whoa.
Hussein intends to have this last and go the distance.
Red left by Manny Pacquiao and right here by elbow.
And again, nakita na naman yung siko natin.
Oh.
Yung siko ni Hussein.
Last 10 seconds of the 8th round. Medyo nayanig doon. Si Hussein, but a good right by Hussein. Ito, nagpapalitan yung dalawa. Ito, may dugo doon sa malakas di Mandaya.
But partner, definitely ahead on points si Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao on the attack. Good right by Manny to the head.
Ito naman si Manny Pacquiao ngayon.
Pero Manny,
Well, palagay ko, yung si Lava Lopin ang nakalaban ni Gabriel
yung
Clash
Clash Lopez, oo.
na disqualify. Reminiscent.
ito, si Manny Pacquiao, mga kaibigan, has Nadal Hussein on the ropes.
Pero may tactic din ito si...
Ay, uppercut ng si Hussein, nakakatakot niya sa loob naman niya. Ito, Manny Pacquiao, at bobbing and weaving.
At hindi na bibigyan ng pointed action, no?
Oh, sabi
Sabi
ni
ginagawa nitong Hussein.
kanina, tinawagan siya, binigyan siya ng 1 point dun 4th round, no, for a wayward. Oh,
Paguri niya si Manny Pacquiao.
nagpapasuntok ito si
Hussein, partner. Magigat lang si Manny.
round number 5, mga kaibigan, bumagsak po si Manny Pacquiao in round number 4.
Ito, nakita recovery ito para kay Manny Pacquiao. Pero hindi natin malaman, partner. Kung ito si...
There's a big right na naman by Nadal Hussein.
An apt description indeed.
Oh, mukhang tamang-tama yung scouting report niya. Meanwhile, Manny Pacquiao still trying to... Oh, good right by Manny. Medyo natigil dito si Hussein. Ay, kaliwa.
Heavyweight championship on. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede yun.
Oh, humahawak sa lubid si Manny Pacquiao. Uy!
Very
Good leg! Ang lakas doon!
Very able to shoot those punches.
Nadal Hussein.
Parang hindi nasasaktan ito si Hussein.
Oo.
Nakasuktok si Pacquiao. Now you also wonder, partner, kung yung power
Uy,
ni Pacquiao.
maganda yung tikada sa katawan ni Manny Pacquiao. Napaintad itong si Nadal Hussein. Maring mahina rin. There's a right by Hussein. Pero
Stinging power.
Uy, yung kaliwa ni Manny Pacquiao, pumasok yun.
So dapat, partner, i-boxing na muna ito si Hussein. Pacquiao, I think it is around front of the stage. Ito na.
Patuloy si Manny Pacquiao. Pero, uy, ano naman yung siko? Yung siko na naman yun! Naku, hindi yata na.
30. And that was a...
Bigay ganito si Hussein.
Parang ganun nga nakikita natin.
Oh.
Napakahinto sa suntukan ito si Hussein.
Oh. Pero ayun na naman.
Bumalik pa naman ito si Hussein.
Manny Pacquiao, good right. Pero bumalik si Hussein. With his own left.
Si Manny Pacquiao yung last round na yun, partner. Due to sheer.
Ganun pa rin. Kaya sinusunod si Manny Pacquiao. Well, just before the bell sounded to start the round. Ito na.
Ito Manny Pacquiao. Big section at the side of the body.
Pinagsabihan ni Carlos Padilla kanina itong si Nadal Hussein. With 11 KOs, good right-left combination by Manny Pacquiao. Sinusuko ni Manny Pacquiao si Nadal Hussein. He's up against the ropes.
Tugong-tugon na ito si Hussein, partner.
Nadulas. Oh! Nadulas.
Saddle over his face. And I cannot understand kung bakit hindi pa pinakaw. Si Referee Padilla, rapid inside position. Ito na naman.
Dinidingin na naman ni Hussein sa lubid. Si Manny Pacquiao. This is round number 9. Last 10 seconds, but a good right by Hussein. Ito, nagpapalitan yung dalawa. Ito, may dugo doon sa... Malakas di Mandaya.
Partner, definitely ahead on points si Manny Pacquiao. No? But hindi natin masabi how long this fight will last. Hindi na natin makikita.
Oh, yun yung parang. Pinupunta rin ni Manny Pacquiao yung sugat niya sa kaliwang kilay. Dinadel Hussein. O yung kanan ni Manny Pacquiao. O yun na naman. Yung kilay pinupunta rin niya. Alalahanin po natin ito sa Nadel Hussein. Hindi pa po natatalo ito. He has 19 wins. And he's getting bothered by it.
At partner, Carlos Padilla, hindi niya tinatawag yung ringside position. Bakit kaya?
Ayun, yun. Tatawagin na ni referee Padilla yung doktor.
Itatawag na ngayon ang ringside position sa wakas. Tinawag ni Carlos Padilla. And it looks bad. Baka itigil na ito ng referee. Tinitingnan ni Dr. Nasser Cruz. Baka itigil na ito. Malaki na daw yung sugat.
Oh, ayaw.
That's it.
Sabi, hindi na raw pwede.
Tinigil na.
Tinigil.
Tinigil na.
Tinigil.
Tinigil na yung laban.
Nagrereklamo si Fenech.
Eto na.
Nagrereklamo yung
Eto
kampo
na.
ni... Yung kampo ni Jose nagrereklamo at meron pa rin bumabato rito.
Manny Pacquiao has won by a technical knockout and Jeff Fenech is livid, partner.
At pati si Nadel Jose. Nakikipag-away si Jose.
Ito si
Nakikipag-away
Jose,
ito sa ring.
nakikipag-away doon. Hindi pa tapos itong boxing, mga kaibigan.
O yan, may
Hussein has lost